Hi children, welcome back to our science class. Today we are learn about plants and animals. They both are called living things. Both living things present on earth. Animals are different types, land animals and water animals both are present on land. Living things are made up of non-living substances like sunlight, water, air and soil. A new plant grows from seed with the help of non-living things like sunlight, water, air and soil. Living things are classified into two big groups. They are plants and animals. Plants and animals are in many ways they are similar together. Similar means they have a same character and also different character between them in many ways. The first difference between plants and animals is all green plants make their own food. They do not depend others. So they are called producers on the earth. How they make their food? Green plants have a green color pigment called chlorophyll. It catches sunlight from the sun. And also plant absorb water and minerals from soil. They make food with the help of air in the atmosphere. So they are called producers. But animals have no able to make their own food. They depend plants for their food. Animals depend on other animals also for their food. Deer eat plants. They are called consumers. These consumers are classified into three types. First type is herbivore. They are plant eating animals. Second type is carnivores. They are meat eating animal. Lion, tiger eat other animals' meat. In some characters, human being, crow, pig, dog, cat and swan eat both type of plant and flesh of other animals. So they are called omnivores. They are plant and animal eaters. These animals are called omnivores. Green plants breathe through their tiny pores present on their leaves. They are called stomata. Human being also breathe with the help of their nose. It's attached with the lungs. Not only human beings, many animals. Fishes breathe through their gills. Insects breathe through their air holes. And plants show slow motion of a response to the sunlight. They grow slowly and a sunflower also turns towards the sun. At morning, sunflower faces the east. At evening, it faces the west at the direction of sun. Animals show more visible movements like walking, crawling, hopping, running. Human being also walk to move from one place to another place, and new plants coming from plant stem, leaf, root and a bulb also. And some many plants are reproduced through the seeds. Animals reproduce by directly give birth like cow and lay eggs like a hen. The young one hatch out from the eggs after 21 days. Plants do not have any sense organs. In some plants like a touch me not respond to touch, and in a sunflower responds to sunlight. Human beings and many animals have always 5 sense organs like nose, tongue, ear, eye, and skin. In some animals like snake, fish, crab, and jellyfish have one or two sense organs only. Plants go through a cycle of growth throughout their life, from new plant, small plant to big tree. And human beings and animals, after reaching their adult stage of life cycle, stop growing in size. Let's recall our lesson, animals and plants. Differences between animals and plants. Our world has many animals and plants. Although both animals and plants are living things, they differ from each other in many ways. They are movement, food habit, breathing, sense organs, and reproduction. Movement in plants and animals. Plants cannot move, they are fixing to the ground. They can make their own food, so they do not have to move in search of food. But animals cannot make their food, so they have to move around the search for food and shelter also. Shelter means their house. How do plants make their food? All green plants can make their own food with the help of water and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Look at this picture. Plants get sunlight from the sun and air from the atmosphere and water from the ground. They are all help to the green plants make their own food. Only the leaves of a plant can make their food because the leaves only have a green color pigment called chlorophyll. They absorb energy from sunlight. What do animals eat? The animals are three types on their food habit. The first type of animal is called herbivores. They eat only plants. For example, cow, buffalo, elephant, and so on. And some animals eat other animals' flesh. They are called flesh eating animals or carnivores. For example, lion, tiger, and eagle. And third type of animals eat both plants and other animals' meat. For example, human being, bears, squirrels, and dog, cat, monkey also we can give an example for the third type called omnivores. How do animals breathe? Most of animals, even human being, use their lungs for their breath. Fishes and tadpoles breathe through gills. What are tadpoles? The tadpoles are young stage of frog. Although whales and dolphins live in water, but they breathe through lungs. Insects like ant, grasshopper, and flies like a butterfly and a honeybee breathe through their air holes present on their body. Animals such frog, young adult, well-growth frog, and earthworm breathe through their skin. And plants also breathe through tiny pores on their leaves. These tiny pores are called stomata. These pores cannot seen with our open eyes. We can see through the microscope only. And animals have a sense organs. You know already animals have a 5 sense organs. They are skin, eyes, nose, ears, and tongue. These sense organs help them to know about the world around them. Our skin helps us. Our skin helps us to touch. Our eyes help us to see. Our nose helps us to smell. Our ears help us to hear sound, and our tongue helps us to taste our food. Plants do not have any sense organs separately. Can you understand? And reproduction in animals. All animals reproduce and have babies. Animals such as snakes, fish, birds lay their eggs. These eggs hatch after coming 21 days. They produce babies. Animals such as cat, cow, dog give birth directly to young ones. And plants also reproduce. Plants reproduce producing by the seeds. New plants also grow from seeds when they getting right amount of air, water and sunlight. In some cases, new plants grow from the plant's body part like stem, roots and leaves also. For example, potato sugar can grow from stem of a plant. Carrot and radish grow from roots of a plant, and bryophyllum is a special characterized plant. It grows from its leaf. Interdependence of animals and plants. Animals and plants depend on each other to live. Look at this picture. A monkey eats a mango. Monkey is a animal. Mango is a product of plant. What happened next? After eating the mango, the monkey throws the seed. The seed settle down on the land. The seed getting growth and it produces a new plant. So animals also help the plant to increase in their number. And animals also getting benefit from the plant for their shelter and food. So human beings, however, don't disturb the forest for cutting trees and killing animals. We must grow trees and protect animals to maintain this balance. Can you understand? Thank you.